Hello YouTubers, I'm going to be doing a review on the MGP vx4 nitro. I got it today, and yeah, let's get into it. We got the new back wing bars, new triple clamp M1 fork, 110-inch wheels, new design of the deck, vx4 cutout, new flex bender, 110 wheel again, another beetle sticker, their new logo, MGP new logo, cutouts, the deck's nice, yeah, it comes with stickers and stuff. Another sticker there, got the new logo again, got the grips. I've got my bar extenders in, because it came with it. That's about it. Good to ride. Gonna do drop test. We've got the brakes been loose. That's about it. Okay, make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Peace out.